Dream, and dreaming can be big. The bigger the dreams are, the bigger the efforts are, and going through is. But the achievement is going to be phenomenal, bigger than you can ever think, because dreaming something is nothing but your mental image, and after that, when you achieve it, might not look like your mental image, but it'll be something greater than that. So what you do is achieving that dream step by step by step by step. You got to just keep at it till you achieve it. And once you achieve it, it's not going to look exactly the way it is, because it's just like building a home. Foundations and bricks and mortar and tons of this siding and tons of that mortar and cement and nails. It doesn't look like a house. But once you put everything together, then you have a home that you live in, right? So that's exactly what the business is. Same concept, same everything. Except every day in and out, you have clientele, you have customers that you got to take care of them. You're going to have problems and you're going to have issues that you overcome, and you're going to solve the problems. Bigger solution finder that you become yourself, the better you are, because more problems are coming your way. And these problems are nothing but learning grounds, okay? It's nobody's fault, it's no fighting back and forth, but it's your opportunity to become better at your job. The better you become, professional you become, people are going to like you more, they're going to come to your place, and you provide that environment where everything works great. Ding, ding, ding.